CSC Distribution is the wholesale distributor for JCB products in Australia. We service 70 dealer outlets and 5 company-owned branches. In the last few years, our 6-year machine park has grown by over 40%, and with that growth in mind, we had to change our own distribution to meet those market demands to keep our JCB customers happy. If a customer requires a part more urgently, they can come straight to our warehouse and pick that part up over the counter. With Australia being over 30 times the size of the UK and only a quarter of its population, and as far away from the UK as you can get in the world, it creates a lot of challenges and opportunities for us. To meet the challenges of that growth, we have a distribution centre at Ravenhall in Melbourne in Victoria. We also have a second distribution in Perth in Western Australia to cater for our customers on the west coast of the country. In our distribution centres, we had upwards of 20,000 line items with a stock value of approximately $11 million. Over 12 months ago, we introduced Synchron, and what we found is that it's increased the breadth of our product by around 15%. At the same time, it's lowered our overall inventory value. And also, the surprising part for us is that our obsolescence is reduced by around 5%. All our parts are checked in on a barcode and scanned in and scanned out. So when an order comes through the system, it prints off, it goes to each one of the pickers or the packers, they pack up the order. Any critical orders are packed within the 1 day and shipped out. Anything that's a stock order, which we're promoting with our dealers all the time, are picked and packed within 3 days. With over 70 dealer outlets in Australia, we have a great opportunity to grow our dealer parts sales. Now, we have a number of dedicated dealer parts support managers who assist the dealers in finding opportunities and growing their business, as well as PSSRs who assist also in gaining parts and service businesses for our dealer group. We've employed a dedicated LiveLink product manager to assist all our dealers find opportunities and help grow their retail parts business.